Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you guys here. Today I am here to participate in another exciting collab hosted by Joan over at Joan's Pointed Plate. I will link her channel down below, so please make sure you go check her out. And I'm also going to link all of the other awesome, fantastic, wonderful participants of this collab down below. So please make sure you go watch all of their videos as well. But anyways, the name of this collab is called Crock-Tober. Can you guys guess what that means we're making? That's right, one of our favorite crock pot recipes. So here's the deal with this collab, guys. I just had surgery. It's been about 2 weeks. I had my gallbladder removed. I'm still recovering. I did have a little hospital stay afterwards because I was having some issues. So I'm really tired. So once I leave this intro, you guys are going to be seeing my sweet husband, Steve, preparing the recipe that we've chosen. And yeah, so I'm just a heads up, once I leave this intro, you guys won't be seeing me anymore because it takes every ounce of strength I have right now just to sit in the chair and say hi. And I had to say hi because I miss you guys. So anyways, the recipe that we chose to make is one of our family favorites. We've never made it in the crock pot before, but we thought we would give it a try. We are making stuffed green peppers, or stuffed peppers. I guess you can use any kind of pepper you want. We looked online. We found a really easy, quick recipe. And we're excited to share it with you guys. I will leave the recipe down below. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions, like always, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back with you as quickly as possible. Thank you guys again very much for watching. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to be a member of my YouTube family, on my channel, you're going to find a lot of weight loss content, what I eat in a day, a few subscription box unboxings here and there. And I mean, it's in the name, you're gonna find some chaos. So, anywho, that being said, thank you again, Joan, for setting up this collab. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy.